All we want to do after our work is done for the day is to sit down and game in one of our setups, or even spend some time outside relaxing in our backyard by the pool. We do not want to have to think about house chores or worry about whether the grass outside is getting enough water to stay green during the hot summer. We do, however, love to find smart home tech products to automate our lives, so today we want to show you the smart lawn watering system from RainPoint. Thank you to RainPoint for sending this to us for review and sponsoring today's video. The smart lawn watering system does exactly what the name suggests. It waters your lawn, but in a smart and app-controlled way. It comes with a 2-zone Wi-Fi water timer with a hub, 2 smart soil moisture sensors, and a wireless rain sensor, and costs around $170. While that's not cheap, all of those pieces do work together with each other to make sure that your grass gets the right amount of water without using too little or too much, so that your yard stays nice and green without running up your water bill or causing any dry patches that can be hard to fix later. One way this is done is through the water timer, which installs right onto your outdoor water spigot. From here, you can connect 2 hoses. We did one hose that has an attached handheld nozzle for watering flowers or refilling our pool, and one that leads to the sprinkler for the grass. The buttons on the front of the water timer let you control which one, if any, gets access to the water. This is a lot easier than using the built-in shut-up valve or unscrewing the hose each time you want to use a different one. It also monitors the amount of water used on each side, so you can have a full overview of how much water is being used and for what. As mentioned, it works together with the moisture sensors and rain sensor to automatically shut off or turn on the water supply based on what those sensors read and your in-app settings, which we'll get to in a bit. The 2 soil moisture sensors are pretty straightforward. You simply place them directly into your lawn where you want to monitor the moisture levels. They get connected to the app, and all that info is sent to the app itself, letting the system know if more or less water is needed for optimal moisture levels. There's also a screen on the sensor itself if you want to check the levels that way. They're highly accurate and even let you specify which type of soil it is through the app. The rain sensor is also pretty easy to use. Simply connect it wirelessly to the app and place it somewhere up high. It will sense when and how much it's raining and notify both the app and the water timer to turn off the water supply at the right rain level. The RainPoint app is where all of this info gets sent to and where you'll control everything from. You can create a smart scene that tells the system to start watering when the soil moisture level is too low, or if you want it to pause or skip watering completely when it detects rain. The app also uses live local weather data, which can be used to automatically tell the system to start watering more before a dry spell or skip watering before it's about to rain. We like that it's possible to see both live readings from the sensors and be able to control the system remotely. Overall, it's a really smart and well thought out system thanks to its multiple sensors, dual water time connector, and app. We do believe that an in-ground sprinkler system is preferable for general grass watering, but this is a great option if you don't have that. Or if you want to use it for a very specific use case, such as for flowers or other hard-to-reach areas around your yard. While we do have an in-ground sprinkler system at our house, we actually went several months without it at the start of the summer due to a scheduling conflict with the company that helps open it up again after winter. This made our grass go very dry and yellow fast, as it was really hard to keep up with the manual watering. We really wish we had this system back then, as it would have been perfect for that. With all this in mind, we actually do think that the price is worth it, especially since it will help lower your water bill. Thanks again to RainPoint for sponsoring this video. You can find more info about this smart lawn watering system in the description below. While you're down there, please consider liking this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more videos about smart home products that help make your life a little easier. We also post daily short-form content across our social media channels, including here on YouTube Shorts, on Instagram, and on TikTok at CamXPetra. You can also find links to everything that we use on our website, CamXPetra.com. Now don't mind us, we're going to go back to blissfully avoiding thinking about watering anything thanks to our new smart watering system, and instead enjoy the nice, relaxing weather outside, followed by some gaming of course. Until next time, bye.